The Vice President, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, has advised traditional leaders and religious bodies to avoid frequent handshakes in the wake of the coronavirus outbreak. He said Ghana couldn't be oblivious of the reality, hence have put up several educational materials to prevent infections. Maxwell Kudako has more.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia hinted the infection is largely spread through contact. He advised traditional leaders, religious authorities, and all Ghanaians to rethink how they shake hands with each other in private and in public. The virus, which started in parts of China and killed hundreds of people, have spread to Europe and United States, leaving the continent in fear. Speaking at the centenary anniversary of the Presbyterian cluster of schools in Suhum, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia encouraged Ghanaians to adhere to preventive measures and stay safe. He hinted the Ministry of Health is already working hard to detect and curtail suspected cases of coronavirus within the boundaries of Ghana. Handshake is a culture within the Ghanaian community which is mostly cherished by indigenes. Meanwhile, the virus, according to experts, is spread widely through contact.
And this infection is largely spread through contact. And so many countries are taking measures. In Ghana, we cannot be oblivious. So far, government is taking measures, and the Ministry of Health has announced various measures that have been put in place to try to deal with this, should we have to deal with it in Ghana. I think we need to really up our game across the length and breadth of this country. But we will require a lot of changes in the way we do things in Ghana and across Africa. And so we have to be very, very careful. Nananom and our traditional leaders, we will have to maybe start thinking of even how frequently we shake hands with each other across the country, because it is a risk that we have to be conscious of. It is difficult to change that attitude, but I think that we all have to put our heads together and start thinking of changing some of these things that we have that are almost second nature.
He described the virus as very deadly and mentioned some preventive measures Ghanaians have to take before the virus hit them hard in the face.
This is a very deadly virus, and we have to make sure that we take all the preventative measures as have been announced by the Ministry of Health. But we need more education all across the country and more vigilance. So let us take this virus very seriously. Let us wash our hands very regularly. And when you are sneezing, please cover your mouth and your nose and everything, because you could transmit it in that manner. But I think we should be conscious of it. I just wanted to use this platform to say, let us not wait till it arrives, but let us start taking preventative measures.
Maxwell Kudako reports from Suhum.